The heart of India lies in its villages, said Mahatma Gandhi. But even today, many of our villages do not have their basic necessities of living. In early years of last decade, Maisamaguda was one such village in Kutbulapur Mandal. Unruly roads, drinking water problem, and with rarely a bus traveling into villages, the local people used to travel miles for work to earn their daily bread. A decade later, the village has transformed into a land of opportunity because of the vision of one great man, Sri C.H. Mallareddy, the chairman of Mallareddy Group of Institutions. Meet Mr. Venkatramana, who hails from Nizamabad. He established his own hotel in Maisamaguda 5 years ago. His primary source of business is through students of Mallareddy College. The hotel prepares delicious food, serving people for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It is a busy hotel no matter what time of the day we enter in. He employs close to 10 workers, most of them from Maisamaguda. When there are 3 to 4 holidays, this area becomes empty and his hotel doesn't run properly, he complains. If not for your established colleges, my business would have not run this well. Thank you, Mallareddy, says this satisfied businessman. Earlier, these hotels would get their raw materials from the nearby market, which is around 10 kilometers away. Now, they don't need to travel to the market anymore. Thanks to Ramesh. Being easily accessible, his Kirana store supplies all the necessary raw materials to the nearby hotels. But the major share of his revenue comes from the students living in the nearby hostels. Right from a ballpoint pen, I keep stock of all the items that a student needs. Hence, my store becomes their favorite destination for all their daily necessities, explains Ramesh. Ten years ago, Yadaya had only 5 buffaloes. Today, he has 15. He earns his living by supplying milk to the nearby households, hostels, hotels and colleges. From being a daily laborer in a nearby farm, Yadaya has come a long way. He attributes his rise to God first and then development. Thanks to the development in this village that has come after establishing these educational institutions, it has certainly changed his life and also that of many others. Once a daily wage labourer in Gundlapochampalli, Raju now owns his own iron shop in Maisamaguda. Deprived of opportunities in his village, he travels every day to Maisamaguda. He had faced roadblocks a few years earlier as people were reluctant to pay even 3 rupees per pair. But the educational establishments which have come up later changed his life. Thanks to the non-local students living in the neighborhood, his income levels have raised. Over a period of time, his business has flourished and is self-sufficient. I send my kids to a nearby convent school, hoping that someday even they can study in this educational institution, says Raju. Durga Prasad has set up his own saloon in Maisamaguda. His saloon is the hotspot for the youth of this village. They are the USP of my business. I keep an eye on the latest trends and update myself. Had it not been for the college students and the business they generate, I would also have migrated to Secunderabad like my elder brother. Now I earn my living and also take care of my parents, explains Durga Prasad. Lavanya Welding Works was established recently. We spoke to owner Vaikuntham, who explained, the nearby hostels and buildings getting constructed take window panes from us. We customize the window panes in accordance to their sizes and requirements. If not for these Mallareddy colleges, the atmosphere would never be conducive for so many new businesses like us. With each of the business depending on the other, These Mallareddy colleges have given us unlimited opportunities. Thanks to Mallareddy for giving us all these opportunities.